Okay, so first we need to open these two brake brake caliper um, bolts, and then we will check if it's released. Okay, hopefully it's released. Okay, then if it's not released, we have many options for that. Okay, we can remove it. It's not that hard to fight with it, but we need to have more base solution for that. Okay, so there is inside that's the brake. If you see, that's the brake that come out. See, this one is come out. We need to put the screwdriver. It should be heavy screwdriver, and then press it a little bit to get the chamber in. Okay, now see, how easy it's removed. See, this is the part that this should be go in. If it's go up, so you cannot remove it, then this is the nice part. We can put one of the bolts, because I wanted to show you how to remove this stuff. You can put one bolt, but because I need to change these rubbers, I remove both of the bolts. So when we open this, we need to hang up the caliper because we should not leave him on the hose, or the brake fluid hose, because if it's hanging and bring pressure on the hose, then it will break, and that's the worst part of your work. And you should not bring pressure or load on this hose. This hose should not be break. Then now we are going to open these rubbers one by one. See, we need to remove these, we need to clean it, and then we will change these rubbers. These are not bad, because I changed the other side. The other side brake caliper was bad, and it stacked, and it was not going forward. Worst case scenario. So we are stuck with this. This one is stuck inside the caliper. Then we were unable to remove it. We tried a lot with the wrench, and it's stuck inside. And for this scenario, we need to change this whole thing. We need to open these two bolts. One is right here, one is right here, to remove this, and we will put another one. I have another one right here. Then we will install, like, use one, but it's not new one, but hopefully we have one. We're going to open it step by step, and you will watch. We'll put the camera here, and then because it need a lot of force, I want to put the camera away from my hands. Oops. It doesn't need a lot of force, but I was ready for a lot of force. Then these are the two bolts that we are going to open it. Yep, that's right here. The bolts is you need to have the right tools. That's it. If you don't have the right tools, you will be stuck. Do not tighten it much because we need to. Yep. Yep. It's good. And hopefully we have these rubber. See, it's moving. These are moving. It should be like this because when, first we need to install these small clips. So we are done with the brakes, but the simple. I hope you like and you enjoy the video.